One, two, three. Testing. Is this mic on?
It's on, Looney Bird.
Okay. Well, you out there in the audience have requested a power-packed show. A show filled with enthusiasm. Filled with excitement.
Yeah.
Filled with vigor. Filled with venom.
Forget the venom part there, Looney Bird. Just the vigor and the enthusiasm. That'll do.
Well, I got one for you here, Billy Bob.
What are we gonna do, Looney Bird? A sing-along?
Well, this one here involves a sing-along. That's right. And it needs lots of energy at the right point.
Okay.
And very, 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 very sensitive performance at the correct point.
Okay, Looney Bird. What are you talking about?
Okay, it's a song we all learned when we were little kids.
You were never a little kid, Looney Bird.
Hey, that's beside the point.
Okay, well, what are you talking about?
What I'm saying here is that at a certain point we sing soft, and at a certain point we sing loud.
Got it. Now, who's going to show us what parts we sing what in?
Well, you're just going to have to figure it out. Okay, you know what your part is out there in the audience? When you hear those beginning chords, you'll know what the song is we're going to do.
What if they don't know?
Well, then we'll send them back to school.
Oh, you mean like Led Zeppelin?
No, not like Led Zeppelin, like John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. La 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 la.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name too. Wherever we go out, the people always shout, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name too. Wherever we go out, the people always shout, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name too.